Hi, in this session we will see the inter-thread communication approach. The previous videos we have seen mutual exclusive control approach to make the normal threads into synchronized threads by using synchronized method or synchronized block or static synchronized method. Once you transformed the normal threads into synchronized threads, we can use the inter-thread communication or cooperation mechanism to make the threads to communicate with each other. In this mechanism, we will pass a currently running thread on the CPU by introducing sleep state or wait state. Then it will release the lock that monitor over that particular object. Then this lock will be provided to another thread for entering into the CPU to start the execution. This can be implemented by using wait method, notify method, and notify all method. The wait method is introducing the wait state to the currently running thread on the particular object to release the lock. Then lock will be released by this currently running thread over the particular object. Then that currently running thread should wait until either another thread should invoke notify method, or that another thread should invoke notify all method for this particular object, or the currently waiting thread should wait for particular time. The time should be elapsed. This can be done by using wait method. So in this method, the thread should get either notify method or notify all method from another thread. And another thing is, here you can make the wait state by introducing some time. For example, you can call the wait method with 500 milliseconds. In this approach, here the currently running thread should wait until 500 milliseconds to get the object for next time or next turn. And the notify method is, here wake up a single thread that is waiting for the object's log. Okay, if many threads are waiting for this particular object, then any one of the thread will be chosen randomly. It can be done by the thread scheduler based upon the choice of implementation. And the notify all method is wake up all the threads which are waiting on the queue for the particular object's log. Based upon this, here we are going to see the example. The scenario is, here we are going to use the cash transaction example. In this cash transaction example, we are going to use two methods. One is the deposit method and another one is withdraw method. Both are synchronized methods. Okay, so in this approach, we are going to withdraw the specific amount. When you are withdrawing the specific amount, here for example 5 lakh. Okay, so when you are withdrawing the amount, it should check the deposit, either the balance is available or not. Check the balance when you are withdrawing the amount. If balance is less than the withdrawing amount, okay, balance is less than the withdrawing amount, then it should make the alert that your account is not having sufficient amount. You have to wait for the deposit. If you have the balance greater than withdrawing amount, then it will release the amount from the specific account. So based upon this scenario, I am writing the class name customer, amount here assigning 2,50,000. Then the method withdraw is receiving some amount as a argument. This method is synchronized method. Then this statement just displaying you are going to withdraw specific amount. Here that amount is given in the display statement. Then it is checking the balance amount is less than the withdrawing amount or not. If it is less than the withdrawing amount, just it is giving the alert message your account is having less balance, you should wait for a deposit to make your balance greater than the withdrawing amount. Then here that amount is displaying here, and once your amount is balance amount is less than the withdrawing amount, this thread is introducing the wait state. So your withdrawing status is now introduced the delay. After that, now we are checking, right? So if it is introducing the wait state, then another thread will run. Another thread is here deposit thread, okay, which is receiving some amount from the customer, right? So to deposit into the account, then going to deposit. So this amount is deposited here. You assume that the father and son is withdrawing the amount, okay, father is depositing the amount. Okay, your son is studying somewhere and father is in the hometown, so son is withdrawing the amount 2 lakh, I mean some amount 5 lakh, right? But that balance is available in this account as a 2.5 lakh. Okay, so this is the amount available in the balance. The son is trying to access 5 lakh amount. So now it is checking the balance. Okay, balance amount is 2.5, but withdrawing amount is here 5 lakhs. Okay, so here it is introducing the wait state. Withdrawing amount is withdrawing method is introducing the wait state. Then informing to father, the father is depositing the amount from the hometown. Okay, so he is depositing the amount here into the account, right? That should be given here. Going to deposit, the deposit amount here we are passing, right? So here we are passing that amount, then that amount will be added into the balance amount. After that, just it is showing the alert message deposit is completed, your current balance is given here. Okay, current balance, suppose your already existing balance is 2.5 lakhs. Now the father is depositing one more 2.5 lakhs. Now you look at that 2.5 lakhs is deposited into the amount. This is added, already 2.5 is available, so 2.5 plus one more 2.5 father is depositing, so total will be 5 lakhs. Now that 5 lakhs amount is displaying in the balance account, right? Now which is introducing the notify method. Once notify method is invoked, then it will call the or wake up the waiting thread. Okay, so which is wake up the waiting thread. The waiting thread is here withdrawing thread. You look at that, this is waiting here. Okay, that withdrawing thread, now it is wake up by the deposit thread by using notify method. Now the 5 lakhs already available in the balance, then now you are going to withdrawing the amount here. So that's what we have seen, 5 lakhs which is going to withdraw, right? So 5 lakhs already entered, so 5 lakhs minus 5 lakhs, so now your balance will be 0. That balance amount will be displaying here. Okay, so now the main class is defined, which is the driver class. Main method is there. For customer we are making the object C as a object, so the thread should be called, am I right? For calling the thread we are using a start method, right? So here I am using the thread constructor, right? So inside the thread constructor we are having the method. Inside that we are using run method, withdrawing 5 lakh amount. As per our discussion, you look at that, he is withdrawing 5 lakh amount. Son is withdrawing 5 lakh amount from the working place or studying place, right? So that 5 lakhs is withdrawing, so then the thread is started. Okay, then whatever we have discussed in the previous slide, that will be done as a process. That means it is checking the balance, right? If the balance is 2.5 lakhs, then it should wait. Okay, wait state is introduced, right? So like that, another thread here we are making the deposit thread, which is here depositing by the father is 2.5 lakhs. So already account is having 2.5 lakhs as per the statement here. Okay, you look at that, here already balance is having 2.5 lakhs. Now using the deposit thread, one more 2.5 lakhs is deposited by the father. Okay, then it is starting the deposit thread. The deposit thread is here in the previous slides we have seen, right? Receiving the 2.5 lakhs as a amount in the argument, then that is added into the balance amount, then which is wake up the thread which that is wake up another thread, withdraw, which is waiting for execution. So like this, now we have seen the thread, withdraw thread is communicating with the deposit thread, right? Deposit thread is communicating with withdraw thread. So here by introducing the wait state, right, to it is allowing another thread to receive the log over the transaction object. Okay, transaction object is here I mean released by the withdraw thread, then that lock is provided to the deposit thread. Then deposit thread is sending the notify method, right, by releasing the lock over this particular transaction. Then this waiting thread is receiving the lock by notify method, then it is executing the withdraw thread over this particular object transaction. So like this we can achieve the inter-thread communication through this methods, wait method or notify method and notify all method. This is the output. Here you see 5 lakhs is already available. So here we are trying to withdraw more amount than the available balance. 5 lakhs is entered for withdrawing, but deposit amount current balance is here 2.5 lakhs. It has to wait for depositing 2.5 lakhs from the father in the from his hometown. Then deposit is completed, it is which is sending the alert message, your balance is now 5 lakhs. Once it is receiving the 5 lakhs, it is sending the notify method to the withdraw thread, then withdrawal transaction will be successful. Then your current balance is now 0 because 5 lakhs is withdrawn by the son in his from his I mean studying place or working place. And another one scenario is here we are withdrawing the less amount than available balance. Balance is here 2.5 lakhs. Here deposit again we are depositing by the father from his hometown. So now after that 5 lakhs is there, withdrawing amount is here only 1 lakh, okay, from the son's workplace. So here remaining balance is displayed, that is 4 lakhs. So in both scenario we can use this program to make the deposit and withdrawal thread to communicate with each other. Thanks for watching.